Ever been staring down a bill due in the next hour, realizing you accidentally paid for that birthday gift from your emergency fund account? Or maybe you're splitting a spontaneous dinner with friends and your wallet feels lighter than a feather. Fear not, fellow Ally Bank user, because transferring money within your Ally accounts can be faster than a cheetah chasing its lunch. That's right, we're ditching the slow bank transfer shuffle and diving into the world of instant transfers. But before we hit the gas pedal, let's rewind a bit. Ally Bank offers a couple of different transfer options, each with its own speed. There are the standard ACH transfers, which take a few business days, perfect for planned transfers between your accounts. Then there are the champions we're celebrating today, instant transfers. Now, buckle up because we're about to show you exactly how to whip those funds into warp speed within the Ally Bank universe. Step 1. Gear up logging in. First things first, you'll need your trusty Ally Bank login credentials. Head over to the Ally Bank website or fire up their mobile app. Punch in your username and password, and voila! You're in the digital Ally Bank doorway. Step 2. Navigating the Ally Autobahn. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the transfer lane. On the website, look for the Transfers section, usually nestled amongst the navigation bar options. In the app, it might be under the Move Money tab or something similar. Don't worry, it shouldn't be hidden in a secret vault. Step 3. Choosing your transfer champion. Within the Transfers section, you'll likely see different transfer options. Look for something along the lines of instant transfers or account transfers. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Selecting your accounts from where and to where. Now, it's decision time. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose the account you're transferring money from, your checking, savings, or any other Ally Bank account you might have. Then, select the champion account where you want the money to land. Easy enough, right? Step 5. Punching in the numbers. How much speed do you need? Here comes the fun part, entering the amount you want to transfer with instant speed. Ally Bank might have a limit on how much you can transfer instantly, so keep an eye out for that information. Step 6. Confirmation station. Double check for success. Before you hit that glorious transfer button, take a quick second to review everything. Make sure the from, to, and amount details are all correct. A typo here could lead to a bit of a headache later, so double-checking is always a good idea. Step 7. Hitting the gas. Initiating the instant transfer. Feeling confident? Then smash that transfer button. You might see a confirmation screen reminding you that the funds will zip over instantly. Congratulations, you've just initiated an Ally Bank instant transfer. The finish line's funds in a flash. Now, the coolest part, the funds should show up in your destination Ally Bank account almost immediately. We're talking seconds, not days. That's the beauty of instant transfers, lightning-fast movement of your hard-earned cash. Beyond the basics, a few final tips. While instant transfers are amazing for those last-minute situations, there are a few things to keep in mind. Ally Bank might have some limitations on how much you can transfer instantly, and there's a chance they might charge a small fee for the service. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or app for the latest info on limits and fees. Also, keep in mind that instant transfers only work within the Ally Bank ecosystem. If you're trying to send money to another bank, you'll likely have to use the standard ACH transfer option, which takes a few business days. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.